On the way to the supermarket this morning, a church had just let out. And then I saw it. A fast food bag thrown out a car window, crashing to the asphalt. Shaking my head, I pulled over and picked up the trash. Moments later on the highway, a second vehicle with a large cross decal in the rear window tossed out a coffee cup. And that's when it hit me. This is the first big mistake. You pray to God in the sky while spitting on God beneath your feet. You raise your hands to heaven while polluting the ground that gave you those hands. You preach love inside buildings, then poison the creation that breathes for you. God is not trapped inside stained glass. God is in the soil, in the trees, in the rivers, in the air. If you say you love God, prove it by how you treat nature. Follow for more warrior wisdom and life-changing truth.